And what we actually did there that worked really well, and if you ever get stuck with this, is try convince them to give your deposit back in exchange for a guarantee. So you can actually start utilizing the money, or you can put the money somewhere where you're actually benefiting from it. So any security you can give to secure that deposit, that 400,000 Rand, you exchange it and you get the cash back. And especially as investors, if you're doing angel finance and you're borrowing from others, you don't want to pay that very high interest rate while this deal is now pending. So find something you can leverage while you're waiting. What I would honestly suggest though is if you are entering into these time-sensitive deals, try and get the contract right beforehand. So what I always suggest people do is either make the contract subject to, or try set some kind of deadline or time frame to when the next step is supposed to happen in that administration of an estate. So if you know that there's going to be, for example, in an insolvency, they're going to ask the master for certain approvals, say that it needs to be done within 2 weeks, right? So just try to remember something like that. It's a nice little red flag. Those transactions do take very long. So the money side of things, and this comes back down to profitability, and it's very important.